So you're most welcome again. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can insert the new comments in Microsoft Excel. We shall look at how we can edit and then delete comments, and finally we shall see how we can show all the comments which are in Microsoft Excel worksheet. So to start with, I have sample data here, like the first one, which is under assumption, loan principal amount. So I want to insert a comment on this data which is in cell on cell what B3. So I have where do you want to put the comment? Normally you have to select the cell where you want to insert the comment. So I'm going to select one of the cell which is going to be here, and this cell is called F3. So when I select this, what I do, you go and look into the ribbon of tabs and then select review. Select review after data tab. When you select review, you will now see a group called comments. So in that group, I want to select new comments. You click new comments. Now you get a text box where they are telling you to start a conversation. So in this case, you are going to start writing a comment in that box. So now, loan principal amount. So I can say how much do you think? Should it be the loan? So now, when after typing the comment, go ahead and click on this arrow. If you're using this maybe any type of computer, you can just press enter on your keyboard and then the comment will insert automatically. But if you're using a small computer or interactive screen, you just tap on that and then the comment will be inserted automatically. So now we have seen how to insert the column. Right now, when you select any other cell, you will see on the angle of this cell, you see something which appears like purple, and that is something to show that there's a comment in that cell. Now, to edit the comment, when you click there, now you go direct into the what? You go into the comments. Right now, when you want to edit, what you do, you double click on it, and then you see the comment will show. After showing, then at the end you see something which is like a pen. You click on that pen, and then from there you can edit and add more values. Like you can add that. Then after editing or after adding the values that you want, then there's something which is like a tick, or you can go ahead and press enter to go to a new line. When you are done, click on that tick, that checkbox, that tick, then the comment will be edited and new values will be added. And even that comment shows you like the date and the time when the thing was done. So from there, you can go ahead and select another cell, just if you want to put another comment. I can go ahead and put another comment on this one, which is B6, like years until balloon payment. I can go ahead and select a cell, and that is going to take the comment of this. So I'm going to say now on this, I'm going to, or I can even put it here. Then I go and select new comment. Then from there, this one, I can select this. Then I say new comment. From there, I'm going to remove this one and delete the thread. Then I'm going to put a comment for this. So I'll go ahead and select like the new comment. Then after, I can go ahead and type the comment, and then after, go and press enter, and then the comment will be put on that data values you've selected. So after that, what you do, you want to know how to delete a comment. Delete a comment, you click on that, and then you show the comment. Then from there, after showing the comment, show the comment. You see the comment in this side, then you have 3 dots. Click on those dots, and then you see the first option is delete the thread, and then the other one is resolve the thread. So if you want to delete that comment, you can select delete, or you can also go in the comment group in the review tabs. There is an option for delete, then you can go ahead and delete. So in this case, you can select delete, and then the comment will be deleted. So if you want, you have, for example, some comments on this, like you have inserted a new comment, then I put that, press enter, then I put another one, I go to new comment, I put that, sorry about that, okay, I go ahead and put that, then I go to another one, I put a new comment, I put this, I'm putting different comments, like, you know, so I have now 4 comments on different data values that I've selected, which are in column B. So now, if I want to show all the comments, what I do, first cross this one, I'll go direct into the comments, then I say show comments. When I click on that, all the comments will be shown on this window, on this window here. So as you can see here, so like now if I cross this one, right now I know I have some comments here. As you can see, I said whenever you see these icons which is on this angle, and you see the color like purple or something, so that one shows you have some comments there, but the comments are not shown. They are not shown anywhere. So for you to show that that there are some comments, you go ahead and select show comments, and then the comments will be shown on this review. If you want to edit any, as you can see here, we have for something like a pen. We have a pen on each of these comments. That pen, when you tap on it, it gives you an option for editing. So you can go ahead and edit and add more values. Once you are done, you click on this tick to confirm the comments. If you want to delete any of these comments, after the pen there are 3 dots. You click on it, and then the first one is delete the thread, so you can click on that, and then the comment will be deleted. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and share our video so that many people can benefit. In the next video, we shall go ahead and look at different other tools, like how we can protect the worksheet and the workbook, so that we can get more skills in Microsoft Excel. Thank you. We love you guys, and we love you for watching Tebby Talks every day.